Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Moon Knight. Now, this isn't the Moon Knight from the new show coming out. This is more the comic book style. But I hope you guys get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Moon Knight, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to start by making a little line that's just going to come up, down, then it's going to go up, and down again, like a little M shape. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and then it's going to go back up here. Next, we're going to draw two lines that come down at an angle, and then a line that's just going to curve around to connect. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come down. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come around and then up. And we're going to draw a little line that comes in on each side. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve up. And we'll do the same thing over here, just a little line that's going to curve up. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and in. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down and then in. Next, we'll bring this one, we'll go up, over, and then down. And right here, we'll make his little moon shape for his little logo on his shirt. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that curves in. Then we'll draw one that's going to go up and then out like this. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go up and then down. Then we'll draw a little line that's going to go up and then it's going to come in. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then it's going to come up. Then we'll go out and then come in to start forming the arm. Right here, we're going to go down and up. Then we're going to go out and then come in. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and in. And then over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and then in. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve up. We're going to come out and then around. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. Make another one that's going to go out and then down. We'll do one here. And then we'll do one right here, and then we'll just connect it down. Then I like to draw a little line across here. We'll do the same thing over here. We're going to make a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come down. We're going to make one that's going to go out and then down. One more here. We'll draw one right here, and then we'll make one more. It's going to come out, and then it's just going to come in. And once again, I'll just add this little line across. Now, starting here, we're going to make his leg come up, kind of like he's jumping off a building. So we're going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. It's going to curve around, and we're going to go down and in to kind of show where his knee will be. Next, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come in. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. and we're going to go up and in. Next we'll make a line that's going to go up like this. And then we're going to curve this line in just a little bit. Now over here we're going to do pretty much the same thing, but we'll start with a little line that comes down. And then this leg's going to come out a little bit farther, so we're going to curve this around. We'll go down and then up like this. I'm going to come down and in. I'm going to make this foot come down, and then we're going to bring it back up. Right here we'll draw a line that's going to come out and in for his ankle. And then we'll bring this line up like this. Starting here, we're just going to curve a line up, and then we'll just connect it across here. Now we want to draw his cape. So we're going to start up here towards the top of his hood, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up towards the top of my paper. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up towards the top of the paper. Very similar to kind of like his logo. Next, I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to go right to his hand. We'll jump over his fingers, and then we'll bring it right down here towards his knee. Do the same thing here. We're going to bring this down to his hand. We're going to jump over his fingers, and we'll bring it right to here on his leg. Now starting up here, we're going to curve a line down for the top, and then we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to curve the line down. Now here's our basic shape of Moon Knight. Now we want to come in here and add a few different details. So right here I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come in on each side and then go down. Then I'm going to draw a couple little extra lines right here. I want to make a couple little lines right here on his stomach. On his arm, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and up. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down and then in. And we'll add a couple little lines across here as well. I'm also going to make some little triangle shapes on the bottom of each arm here. I'm going to draw a couple little lines on here. I'm also going to make a line that's going to come in and then down. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go in and down, and we'll add a few little lines across here. I'm going to add a line that's going to go up and down on his feet as well. We'll put a little line or two right here as well. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down and then in to show where there's a little bit of difference in color on his gloves of his suit. I'm going to make a couple little lines that come down here. And then I'm going to make a couple little lines right up here on his cape. And then we'll put a couple on his feet as well. And there you go, there is your drawing of Moon Knight. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.